On to Asia now, where the Philippines is beating growth targets despite a global downturn. As Barnaby Lo reports, it's now the fastest growing economy in Southeast Asia.
It's the peak of the holiday season, and in supermarkets all over the country, the lines just keep getting longer. There is no bigger shopping season in the Philippines. That, together with millions of dollars of remittances from overseas Filipino workers, is why there's little doubt among economists that the Philippines will finish the year as the fastest growing economy in Southeast Asia.
The cumulative gains for the first 9 months is already 6.5%, and the likelihood that that will be sustained would still allow us to grow by more than 6% this year, which is pretty spectacular considering the global economic backdrop.
Here in Manila's financial district, it's easy to get a sense of what's driving the recent economic success of the Philippines. A young workforce that's part of the multi-billion-dollar call center industry here. It's the largest in the world right now, and it's a reflection of renewed investor confidence in the country.
The numbers do speak for themselves. Its stock market index has been hitting one record high after another, and new real estate developments all over the city also speak volumes.
This anti-corruption campaign of the government seems to be finally taking root. Interest rates have fallen to new record lows. Spending by the government, as I mentioned earlier, is allowing the private sector to also follow through with its own expenditures.
Hello?
But while the call center industry now employs over 700,000, investment in other industries, those that require millions of other less skilled workers, has been slow. To attract these investors, Neri says the government will have to step up infrastructure spending.
However competitive your workers are, if power remains expensive, if logistic support will remain difficult and expensive, then we will still probably not be able to achieve the kind of growth that we need.
For now, remittances from Filipinos working abroad remain the backbone of the Philippine economy. It may be enough to sustain a consistently moderate growth rate in the short term, but even the government knows that true economic success can only be achieved when Filipinos no longer have to find opportunities in places thousands of miles away. Barnaby Lo, CCTV, Manila.